Last week we began our Croatian sailing journey, leaving Dubrovnik and sailing up the coast towards Korčula. We enjoyed good winds and we reached the wine region of Lombarda and decided to try out the local wines. This week we sailed to the incredible Pakleni Islands before exploring the party town of Hvar. We restocked Kawai before enjoying a fun stay in the Hvar anchorage, and then we are off to pick up Jase's parents in Brac in Supetar. We are just leaving Scedro, we are off to Pakleni. It should be a downwind sail, about 15 knots. So yeah, it should be a good sail. We were just talking about how well we've slept on this boat, haven't we?
Yeah, we've slept really well.
Until our first night crossing, which was about 9-10 days ago, and ever since then I've woken up at least twice a night wondering where I am and who's in control of the boat, thinking that we're still on passage. And you have as well, maybe not as much as me, but
Yeah, I've had a few weird dreams. I just usually get woken up by you going, "Where are we? Who's looking after the boat?"
Yeah, every single night. I'm hoping it stops soon.
Yeah, it's rather annoying, really.
Yeah.
For me.
Oh, sorry.
Only joking. Only joking.
Well, it looks like the season has started. Well,
What happened to the rest of your jeans?
are you my grandpa? Because I'm sure that my grandpa would ask me that question.
I know, it's quite funny. It's a good grandpa joke.
Yeah, not even a dad joke. It's a grandpa joke. After completing the 13 nautical mile sail from Scedro, we arrived in the Pakleni Islands. The islands are located off the southwest coast of the island of Hvar and are a quiet paradise with many bays perfect for anchoring. There are restaurants and beach bars ashore. It's freezing. It's really nice here, really nice and peaceful, and the water's beautiful, turquoisey blue, not quite as blue as Paxos though. So we were just sitting here enjoying a quiet sundowner, as you call them, and Jase has gone to help these guys out. They've had about just a few attempts at picking up the mooring ball, so he's just gone to help them out. It's quite windy. We then crossed the channel and headed towards Hvar, a short 1 nautical mile trip. It was a contrast from the quiet Pakleni Islands, where we had enjoyed the anchorage mostly to ourselves, but were looking forward to the vibrancy and atmosphere of Hvar. We dropped anchor and got ready for a day of restocking Kawai before we could enjoy all that Hvar had to offer. Well, there's Kawai over there. We've left her in the Hvar anchorage whilst we go provision.
Provision, get rid of rubbish.
Yep.
Gas, water, fuel, whatever we can get done.
Yep.
We're actually not sightseeing, which is really disappointing today, but these are the jobs that you got to do.
Yep.
Yeah, and my parents are coming in a week, so I've got to get the boat sorted before they get there. To go get more fuel. Unfortunately, our draft is too deep to get to this fuel station, which we've found quite regularly in Croatia. Yes. Just need an extra metre.
Yeah. That's all, just a metre.
To be safe.
Yeah.
There's no way that you'd go in with 10 centimetres.
No, not a chance.
Well, I'm going in to steal a bit of water from Hvar. The guy over there is really nice. He said to just go in and take some. So yeah, bring the tender in Hvar town. So these are the types of missions that you not many people really talk about, but
You know, we potentially could go in and moor at the quay, but it's quite expensive, and you know, we only need a little bit of water. So yeah, I'd rather take the tender. She's electric anyway, so it's charged by the sun, so it shouldn't have any issues. Might have to do a couple of trips, but that's all good. That's pretty cool anyway, like just tendering into Hvar.
Hey there.
Hey!
How'd you go?
Wow, I filled up.
Woo!
So 60 litres.
Right, we've got our little tiny all chained up,
Yep.
padlocked, engine padlocked.
Yeah, we're ready to actually explore Hvar today. We've done all our jobs.
Yay.
So we get to have fun.
Yeah.
Hvar is one of the most popular destinations in the Adriatic. It is known for its history, nightlife, and beautiful waters. Hvar is a magnet for charter boats from Split, and it's easy to see why.
There are 4 different options for sailors in Hvar. The first is to anchor out the front in the anchorage area. Second is to tie to a mooring buoy, which costs around 325 kuna. The third option is to tie up to the town quay, which is 650 kuna. The final option is to anchor or visit a marina nearby and get a taxi boat in. The first thing we wanted to check out was the Spanish fortress overlooking Hvar town. Construction of the fortress began in 1282, around the time pirates were rampaging through the Adriatic. The fortress has a lot of history, including the time in 1571 when the entire town took refuge within the walls as the Turks attacked and set the town on fire. People will graffiti anything.
What do you think about this view?
It's great. It's really good. Excellent. Although we can't see Kawai.
My Kawai's been bombarded with boats. Don't know where she is.
Well, you wanted pizza.
Yeah, I'm in heaven. I'm happy.
Yeah.
Haven't had takeout in weeks.
Has been.
So yeah, we're just sitting in the harbour of Hvar.
Got a nice view.
Nice view and very relaxing.
Yeah.
Sun's trying to come out. The health kick is really setting in. Pizza, now beer, but we're only in Hvar for a little while, so we're just making the most of it before we go back to the boat. Yeah, good times.
Had a really good day in Hvar and now we're just trying to chill out, but it's probably the most stressful part of the day is we've got a lot of boats anchored around us and the one about 10 metres in front of us right now just dragged. So we're just keeping our eye on them.
Yeah. Anyway.
It's all good.
Mojo está calor.
We're off on a nighttime adventure. Where are we going?
Well, we're off to dinner in Hvar. That was a little bit of a last minute decision, but we just thought, we're here, let's do it.
Yeah.
Leave Kawai behind. We're going to hit Italian again because we haven't had enough pizza today. Yeah, it's just a beautiful night, so it's pretty calm on the water, so yeah, happy. All I need to do now is get Trace in, not wet.
Yeah, that's all I require. This looks like there's nightclubs going off already. That one we walked into, people are like going nuts on the dance floor.
Is that a look of love?
Maybe. It's been a while since you had naughty food.
Lunchtime today?
But before that.
With the strong northerly forecast, we found a protected bay 1.5 nautical miles from Hvar town, where we would stay until the winds changed direction.
Oh, you've just set us up in a beautiful spot.
Yeah, just a little bit more rock climbing. I'm getting pretty good at that, but yeah, it's a beautiful bay. We're the only ones here, and we're about 1 kilometre from Hvar. You wouldn't know, we're in a party town, but yeah, it's beautiful.
It's cracking arvo.
Cracking, haven't heard that word in a while. Leaving Kawai behind, we're just going on a little mission. She's tied off, and we see a few deer in the distance.
Hey buddy, don't leave us. Hey, come back. Don't go.
Hello?
Hello. We're your friends. It's a great day, we're sailing again and we're off to see your parents today. That's exciting, isn't it?
Yeah, we are.
Yeah.
It's pretty damn exciting.
10 knots of wind behind us and the sea stays calm. So yeah, at this stage, leaving Hvar on to Brac.
So babe, you on watch there?
Yes, just doing a little bit of cleaning and Jadrolinia's right up our clacker.
I was going to say, you've got a big ferry coming at you.
Yep.
It's cutting the corner.
Yep.
We want to cut the corner, but we'll let him through. And the other big boats following us.
We're used to people not waving back.
Yeah, it's the common theme these days. We're not getting any love.
We get a bit. We get a little bit. Not proportional to how much we put out though.
I think we wave every single time to every single boat, so yeah. I guess we'll luck out sometimes.
Yeah.
I'll let you go, just need some time. At your own pace, you need to find your way. I know now you'll never change your mind for something that matters to me.
It's been a fun sail. Wind's on the beam, and the sea state's probably pretty rocky today actually. Rockier than we anticipated. But the wind has been blowing for a while, so I guess it's built up. But yeah, it's fun. Not long. We're just about through the strait and nearly at Brac. So yeah.
Pick up some important cargo.
Yeah. See my family. Mum and Dad have flown in from Australia, from the Goldie. All right. Well, we've arrived in Brac. We look probably Supertar Brac. We probably don't look amazing, but Kawai's there in the background, beautiful arvo, and we're off to see my parents. So they're staying in a hotel here, and we're going to go shower there and then go out for dinner. So yeah, it's the first proper shower we've had in 5 months. Don't judge us. Anyway, we're going out. Can't wait to see my parents. It's going to be fun, aren't we?
Who have we got here, Jase?
Oh, we've got some stowaways. There you go.
It'll be on film if you fall in, Rod.
Yeah, Mum made it.
Geez, you two have heavy luggage. How long are you coming for?
I've brought a lot of stuff for you.
Oh, great.
Is there a place with sun all year round and pina coladas with pretty faces and sand on the ground?